PICO just announced this brand new tracker, which will change VR body tracking forever. So whilst we unbox it, let's talk about it. Currently, body tracking is expensive, super annoying to set up, or requires external cameras just to operate. But last year, PICO announced this beautiful product, which you strap onto either ankle and it can fully track your legs. Now, the reason that these trackers were so successful was because of how super easy they are to set up. It has an amazing long battery life, and it's actually priced very cheap compared to most tracking on the market. So you can consider this new product an addition to the tracking family. So this is a tracker that you place around your body. It will allow you to track your hips and waist and adds an extra tracking point, which makes it easier to accurately track more positions in game. So we can't do this in the dark. Let's set this thing up so I can show you how it works. Firstly, the one on the left is the waist tracker and the one on the right is the ankle tracker. It's essentially just a longer version that can fit around your waist. The batteries are all the same, providing 25 hours of battery life, which is amazing, and can interchange between any of these. As you can see, they charge and connect via USB-C, so I believe you can't use the waist trackers without the ankle trackers, so a price point of $79 for the leg trackers and $39 for the waist tracker is actually a really great deal. But it's important to note that sometimes you can actually buy the headset and the trackers together at a discounted price. There's also a whole section on the app that shows you compatible games with the trackers. As you can see, there's quite a hefty list here with a lot of variety, and I'm sure there'll be plenty more games to come. So first up, you strap on the ankle trackers, which is really easy with Velcro. If you're like me and haven't got your summer body yet, then don't worry. It's very elastic and can stretch to larger sizes. Then you put it on from the back like Karate Kid, and you press the buttons on all the devices once, and you're physically set up. Then you open the Motion Trackers app. You'll see a list of your trackers. Just hit calibrate, start calibration. It will then ask you to stand still and you'll hear this ding. Then look down at the feet trackers and you're done. It's that easy. So let's test this out on some games. Firstly, you already know we had to go to our favorite mirror in the Black Cat to test this immediately. Sorry for the cursed skin, I know, but you can see the leg tracking here is working great. And if I move my hips side to side and backwards and forwards, it's very accurate and real time. And we got to test an IRL jump real quick. A skadoosh. See, it tracked it. It tracked it very well. Jumping jacks, of course. We've got to hit those, see how durable it is on the body. Tree poses too. And we've just swapped to a less cursed skin real quick and come a bit closer to the mirror to see this in action close up. So you can see it here. It's really accurate and effective. For how easy and affordable this is great. Now, last week, PICO did invite myself and some other creators over to the TikTok headquarters and showed us the products early and was very generous enough to give it to us to test for the channel. So huge thank you to TikTok. But comment below, what would you use these trackers for? And subscribe for more VR content. Peace.